Hello, teacher.
Two, one.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Kwan? Can you hear me, Kwan?
Yes,
Okay, yes, you can. That is good. So, how are you? What happened today?
I'm great.
Okay, do you have any plans?
I think in the afternoon I will go to swimming in the pool.
Oh, do you have a swimming class?
Now I go swim only.
Okay, it's you'll just go for a swim, but you don't have a swimming class.
Yes,
Okay, that's fine. And who's coming with you? Are you going there alone or with your mom?
I'm going with my neighbor.
Oh, with your neighbor.
Teacher,
Yes?
teacher, you wait me for a minute.
Okay, Kwan. So let's continue. Let's continue. On
Okay.
Okay. So, can you tell me your answer for 57, Kwan?
Uh, she she plays tennis every day.
Okay, yes, it's place. Now, what about for 58?
My daughter
In your in
speaks French and German.
Okay, yes, that's correct. It speaks. What about 59?
Uh, Sally has a breakfast at the no, have is having a breakfast.
Okay, yes, is having a breakfast since it is happening at the moment. What about 60?
Is I'm not um I'm not mm, I'm not I am not going to buy you lunch today.
Okay, very good. 160, 61.
How many languages do you speak?
Okay, yes, it's just speak. Very good. Okay, so now since we're done with that one, let us proceed to test 12. Okay, so we have here going to W8 question infinitive of purpose, making suggestions and prepositions. Okay, can you tell me your answer for one?
Um, she she's going to be no, she goes to be a ballet dancer when she grow up.
Okay, when she grows up, Kwan, when she grows up. Okay, she goes to be a ballet. It's ballet dancer when she grows up because in the sentence, Kwan, it talks about future plan or yeah, specifically ambition. So we will use the present simple with she and it takes the verb es and for here it's grows. Now what about for two?
Um, uh, we we are um we go to stay in a villa in France this summer.
Oh, we go to it's D.
B.
Okay, yes, it is B. We are going. So we will use the contraction here of we and are going to stay. What about for 3?
I I am seeing Peter tonight.
Very good, Kwan. This is present continuous. Now what about 4?
I am going to see Peter tonight.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about 5?
Careful. The glass uh is going fall.
Going for?
Going fall.
Okay, now the correct answer here, Kwan, is B. Going to fall. Okay, so we use be going, be plus going to for prediction based on what you can see now. Okay, so we'll have going to fall. Okay, now what about 6?
We are going to Paris this weekend.
Okay, very good. 7.
Tom and Tim are coming for lunch tomorrow. Yes,
Okay,
coming.
yes, that's correct. Are coming. What about 4, 8?
I'm saving my money uh to buy a CD player.
Okay, yes, to buy a CD player. What about 9?
We are going to Paris to have a holiday.
Okay, we are going to Paris to have a holiday. That's correct. What about for 10?
Um, I'm going to Florida on a year time.
Is it on a year's time? In here, Kwan, we will use the preposition in. Okay, in a year's time. Because in here, Kwan, in a year's time, it means after the amount of time. So, in the future. Okay, so we'll use in. Now, what about 11?
He is interested. Uh,
Okay,
um,
he is interested in flying. Now, what about 12?
she's good at singing.
Great job, Kwan. 13?
She were afraid uh, of
Okay.
car. Of car.
Yes, that's correct. She was afraid of cars. What about 14?
What's the weather like today?
Okay, yes. What's the weather like today? And for 15?
What is on TV tonight?
Okay, yes, that's right. Kwan on TV. 16?
There's a film on Channel 4.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Kwan on 17.
What's what is at the cinema? What is on the cinema?
What's on the cinema?
Uh, what's on at the cinema?
Okay, yes. What's on at the cinema? Okay, so in this question, Kwan, it means that we are asking what movies are showing at the cinema. Okay, what's on at the cinema? Okay, it is C. What about 18?
They are go. They are both going to become TV stars.
Great job, Kwan. That is correct. What about 19?
What is she going to do?
Okay. 20.
She's going to walk. No, I just to walk
Okay,
home.
yes, that's right, Kwan. To walk home. Okay, now 21.
They they aren't going to get a car this year.
Okay, yes, that's correct. But what about 21?
She wants to dance in Paris and Moscow.
Okay, yes, that is right, Kwan. Thank you so much. So now we'll have 23. Okay, so we have here the questioning. Okay, wait. How did you do that, Kwan?
Mm,
Ah, okay, it's in here now. Okay, so can you tell me the answer for 23?
uh, did he play tennis last Sunday?
Very good. 24.
Uh, does no? Or is he playing tennis now?
Great job. What about 25?
Did you watch it yesterday?
Yes, that's correct. 26.
I am going to watch it tonight.
Okay, yes, that's right, Kwan. 27.
We are having dinner at the moment.
Okay, 28.
Does you have a Do you have a dinner at this time every evening?
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, 29.
Uh, what? Wait.
Okay, take your time. That's fine.
What did your parents going to do when they retire?
Is it dead? What did your parents going to do,
What
Kwan?
What do your parents?
Okay, yes. It's it's our Kwan. What are your parents going to do when they retire? Because in here, yes, we have plural, which is parents, Kwan. So going to. So we will use are. What are they going to do in the future when they retire? Okay, now what about 30?
Uh, what did your parents first meet?
Okay, when did your parents first meet? 31.
What time does Mara usually arrive at school?
That's right. 32.
Look at that picture. It isn't it beautiful?
Okay, that's correct one. 33.
What have we got uh, for dinner?
Okay, yes, for dinner. 34.
Our hotel is 50 meters uh, from the sea.
Okay, yes, from the sea to show distance. Okay, 35.
What's the longest river on the world?
In the world. Okay, what is the longest river in the world? It's always in. Now, what about 36?
France is bigger than England.
Okay, that's correct. 37.
I'm looking for Jane. Do you know where she is?
Okay, 38.
Can you buy me a bottle of lemon at the shop?
Okay, yes, that's correct one. 39.
Maria is like her sister in many ways.
Okay, yes, very good. They're both beautiful and intelligent. What about 40?
What did you do uh, at the weekend.
Okay, yes. What did you do at the weekend? 41.
I am not going out because it is going to rain.
Okay, yes, that's right. Kwan, but what about 41?
Okay. Uh, on Saturday night, we went to a party.
At Saturday night?
On
Yes, on Saturday night. Okay, when talking about the days of the week. 43.
Are you going to wash your car this afternoon?
Okay, 44.
She's going to the post office to buy some stamps.
Okay, 45.
I'm going home early next week.
Okay, very good, Kwan. And 46?
Uh, what was the weather like in Las Vegas the day before?
Okay,
Before yesterday.
okay, yes, very good, Kwan. All correct answers. So now we'll have 47.
Um, what is the weather like today? Uh, Today is sunny and warm, but yesterday was cold.
Okay, yes. So the answer is A.
Okay.
Okay, what is the weather like today? It is sunny and warm, but yesterday it was cold. What about for 48?
Ano sabi ko? What do we what will we do? Uh, let's go swimming.
Okay, what will we do? Let's go swimming. Yes, it is applicable, Kwan. But in here, the most suitable answer is what
What?
shall? Okay, what shall we do? Let's go swimming. Okay, so we will use shall, Kwan, for asking for suggestion. Okay, what shall we do? Okay, so now let us have 49.
What's the weather going to? What's the weather going to like tomorrow?
Going to like?
Going to be like tomorrow.
Going to be like? Okay, yes, Kwan.
Sunny. Shall we go on picnic?
Okay, yes, very good. Shall we go on a picnic? Okay, we're asking for. Okay, now, what about 50?
Um, where are you going to eat? What are you going to eat? Pizza. Where are you going to eat?
Okay, and the cafeteria. Okay, now let us have 51.
Mm. Uh, when is Dream going to get married? Next month. Who is he going to marry? His
Okay,
colleague.
okay, yes, that is correct. His colleague. Okay, now what about 52?
Um, Um, why do you? Why are you going to the chemist? I'm going to the chemist to buy some medicine.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Kwan. Now, what about for 53?
We um mm, how how far is Pittsburgh from Ohio?
Okay, yes, Ohio. It's Ohio, Kwan. How far is Pittsburgh from Ohio? About 500 kilometers. Now, let us have 54.
German uh uh is is like English in some way, but is more difficult than English.
Okay, yes, and the last one, Kwan.
Mm, Nicholas Nicholas uh, come coming to Liverpool with to visit his grandparents.
Okay, Nicholas coming to Liverpool to visit his grandparents. Yes, that is correct, Kwan. Or we can as well say Nicholas is going, okay, to come to Liverpool to visit his grandparents. Okay, so this is the most accurate answer. Now, let us have a short game. Let us end our class with a game. Juan will have riddles. You know riddles, right?
What is this? What is this?
You will be given a clue, Juan. Not literally a
Câu
clue.
đố.
Okay.
Okay, so
It's
wait.
like the question, yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
there should be an option
tung 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 sao?
with
Yes,
options.
this bong 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 bong.
From director Steven Spielberg, Disclosure Day.
Para Fresh, switch to Colgate Fresh Confidence with hundreds of cooling crystals